as part of my transmission work, I decided to also change the transmission mount, which is located right up here. And it's a little bit of surgery on a 2002 F-150. There are a couple bolts, one on each side for this heat shield that needs to be released. Then you have 3 bolts that hold the transmission mount on each side. 1, 2, 3. Had to release this harness. And then the transmission mount will drop. And then there are 2 more bolts that hold the mount to the transmission itself. I've got 208,000 miles, as I probably mentioned too many times, and so I figured it was a little bit worn, and it's better just to take care of it. It's a very cheap replacement, about $17 at a local parts store. The other thing is that you need to make sure you support the transmission, and obviously I put a jack with wood underneath it. I've got this under my transfer case that holds it up, and actually elevated the transmission slightly so that I could get the mount out without any pressure on it. I've actually already taken the mount out, put the new one in, and I've cleaned this up because there's a little bit of superficial rust over here that I'm going to want to spray with some rust converter. And then reassembly should tighten up the driveline quite nicely.